As an introductory video, let's understand why data is important to be understood. Data is electronically generated and stored in some computer storage system in the format of bytes. Main reason of collecting data is for analysis. Data can be in the format of number, text, video, audio, or image. Inside computer machine, data will be stored as binary, that is, in the format of zeros and ones. Data usually will be in the raw format and can be converted to meaningful information using data processing and transformation. For example, retail store data is stored in database in raw. Using this raw data, we generate monthly reports on profits and losses incurred, stock inventory reports, sales reports, or marketing reports, and so on. Data can be generated from different sources. For example, it can be from the IoT devices, social media, applications, or server logs, etc. And also we are talking about big data where data volume is very huge, that the data is being generated in petabytes or more, and data might be in different format as well. That is structured, unstructured, semi-structured. And also data is generated from different multiple sources. That is, whenever we are bringing the data, we need to have a solid integration between the multiple systems. We need to understand multiple sources and then bring the data from multiple source systems. And also we need to consider data security, which may be a physical security or a kind of a network firewall level security. And also we might think about data privacy, which is, we call it as PII, personal identification information. And there is a concept of data archival where we purge or delete the data which is no longer needed for the business use cases. And also data is used for machine learning and artificial intelligence use cases. And data is also used in analysis and analytics. Analysis is nothing but which we work on the data which is already there, which we generate some kind of reports. But analytics is nothing but which we think about a machine learning or deep learning, which is used for prediction and forecasting, mainly to bring different insights about the data, which will tell about the future. And there are different roles that are associated with the data. That is, maybe starts with the data analyst or business analyst, data engineer, data scientist, solution architect, and data modeler. So with this kind of importance, with this kind of understanding, so we know what is the importance of data and why it is to be well understood. Thanks for watching.